Hi everyone. So this is the trade breakdown video for the pair AUD which we took yesterday. So the trade logic was very simple. So when we are starting the analysis from weekly time frame, here you can see the price has neatly swiped all the liquidity left, which are present left of the chart, and it has formed a CSD here. Here you can see this one. This is the CSD candle. So we treated this candle as the weekly bearish OB. Okay. So once price has tapped into this weekly bearish OB, it has shown some mild rejection from here. But when you are seeing here, this candle, the middle one, you can see price has nicely rejected from there, and it has showing some kind of rejection after poking deeper into this weekly bearish OB. So this gave us confirmation as per candle signs that okay, price is not willing to move higher, and it is getting ready to move down. Okay, so this was the gaming criteria, game plan. If you are seeing it in weekly, and again, if you are seeing this in the perspective of CRT, and if you are seeing this in the perspective of CRT, here you can see this is the CRT candle. Why? Because this was the candle which poked into this weekly bearish OB, and the next candle has swept the previous candle high, that is previous week high, and it has closed inside this weekly CRT candle range. And this is the third candle, which is the continuation candle. So this second candle is the manipulation candle, which took out the previous candle high, and it has closed inside this candle range. And the third candle is the expansion candle, which has fallen down and took out that CRT low. Okay, so if you are seeing this in a weekly CRT perspective, we have successfully taken out this CRT low, and our objective has been reached. Okay, so if you are going to daily time frame now, yes, so I'll take out this CRT candles range now, and here you can see. Wait a minute, I'll just mark the weekly candles. Okay, this is the weekly bearish OB. Now I'm going to daily. Here you can see this entire range is the weekly bearish OB. Okay, so here you are seeing somewhat deeper. This was the candle which poked inside it, and it has formed now. This is the candle which poked inside this. This is the entire data. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is our entire weekly bearish OB, and inside this, when price came into it, it has resisted from this daily bearish OB, and it has formed a next bearish OB in daily. Also, if you are just seeing it a little more deeper, this is our daily structure. Okay, this is the entire daily structure, and here you can see equilibrium level of this structure, and this daily bearish OB falls into the 618 level of structure, daily structure. Okay, so these many confluences gave us confirmation that okay, price has formed this daily CSD from a deep premium level. Okay, so we took this. So we took these two candles entirely into a daily bearish OB because this entire candle engulfed these two up close candles and closed downwards. So we took these both candles as daily bearish OB, and after tapping into this first OB, the next OB is this one. So this was our key level. So this is our key level from where we took a short entry. So this is our recent daily bearish OB key level. So this is our daily key level, and yeah, so we were waiting for the price to poke into this daily bearish OB, and from there we planned taking 1 hour entry shots. Okay, so now we are going to 4 hour. I'll take out all this once. This little bit clumsy. Okay, so now this is our daily OB. This is our daily key level, and you can see price has poked into this, and it has given us CSD, 4 hour CSD. But even before this 4 hour CSD has formed, we just went into 1 hour and we looked for 1 hour CSD entry, and that too happened. See, in CBDR itself, price has poked into this daily bearish OB, and it has given a solid rejection from here. Okay, if I'm just zooming it further, you can see clearly. Yeah. So this engulfing candle has engulfed these three up close green candles. Okay, so these three candles together, we took it as a daily, sorry, 1 hour CSG candle, 1 hour OB. So we plan to take an entry here, yeah. This is our 1 hour bearish OB entry. So when we were looking at the price during Asian session, yeah, this is our Asian session. Price was somewhere here. So one wise move which we did was we didn't immediately jump into the trade immediately. What we analyzed was okay, price has already poked into this, and it was currently in this level, I guess. Yeah, around this level. So price has already given entry, but we didn't chase it immediately. We again placed a limit order here, and we were in a what can I say, ideology, right? Okay, if price taps into this again, then okay, fine. If not, okay, let's leave this entry. We don't want to chase the price. That's what our initial understanding or initial uh, conclusion was. Okay, so as expected, we just placed the limit order here, and we kept our SL here, and we were aiming for the target, initial target as daily bearish OB, sorry, bullish OB, which is resting here. First, we initially aimed for 1 is to 3, which came here somewhat here. And once that 1 is to 3 has been reached, we thought that okay, we can take partials and we can move the SL to break even and let's write the remaining price move. This was our initial game plan. Okay, so as soon as when we saw this 1 hour CSD, price was totally consolidating into this range. Okay, here you can see this was our entry point around Asian, around 9 a.m. I guess 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. IST. We got the entry, and you can see price was total. First it went down initially, but later this when this low has been taken out, it started consolidating and it started reversing back. And also not only reversed, it also gave on 1 hour ST. So this gave some kind of what can I say, 50-50 probability. And at one point of time, we thought that okay, price has generated a lot of liquidity above, so there is more possibility for the price to go higher during New York, taking out all this liquidity, and then it can go down. So even to this much extent, we prepared ourselves. Okay, even if it is an SL hit, we need to take that as a part of probability loss. And again, if it is giving a short entry, then okay, again we need to go for it. Okay, so this was our initial game plan, but we were confident enough that our SL will be protected because if we are seeing it in 4 hour, you can see this 4 hour OB. It got enclosed here. This 4 hour OB is an A plus OB. Why? Because we can see this is our 4 hour CB, 4 hour FEG, and after poking it, it has closed nicely. So this 4 hour OB actually, you are seeing this as 1 hour OB. Wait a minute. I'll change this visibility to 1 hour alone. We're going to 4 hour. Yeah. So this is our 4 hour OB, which is an A plus OB as per our system. So this is our last resort. If this 4 hour if this 4 hour OB fails means then okay fine, we need to accept it and we need to move on. Okay, so that is what we planned initially, but we got some kind of confidence that okay, this high should be protected and we should be safe. But during the London lunch, it was keep on consolidating, and we were also ready to take the SL. That's all. If it is an SL hit, there is no other go. It's a probability loss because everything is fine and everything we followed as per our system. So we were waiting for it. But one thing what we noted was when this candle was under formation, this forward candle was under formation, it was somewhere here. So it was looking like a bullish OB. Okay, so when myself and Kati were discussing, we came to a conclusion that okay, if price is enclosed, keeping it close above this candle, then okay, because we can wind up the question whatever the SLS happen. I mean, the drawdown is there, and we can just close the position because we can see it has taken out all this swing lows, and if it is enclosing above this candle, then it will be a valid 4-hour OB, right? So once this 4-hour OB has been confirmed, bullish OB has been confirmed, then it is not good to hold that position because it will become 50-50 and there is more chance for the SL to get hit. Okay, so we came to a conclusion that okay, if this 4-hour OB has been confirmed, then okay, no other go. Just accept whatever the drawdown is, and we can wind up the position. But luckily, it didn't happen. And during the last moment, during that New York time, it immediately pulled and it immediately went down higher, went down lower. Okay. And another interesting thing I need to keep a note here is we're seeing the SMT with the new Z. It was very interesting. Just a minute, it is loading, I guess. And it is not coming. New Zealand. Okay, it has got lower. Okay, yeah, just keeping your attention somewhat deeper. Here you can see these are all relative highs. Okay, the same high is here. See here, price has not taken out these highs in AUD, but in UZ it has taken out. So this is the valid SMT. which gave between AUD and UC, and I was confident that okay, AUD is more bearish and there is more possibility for the price to come down. And again, you can see one more SMT here. Here you can see this low has been taken out in AUD, but here this low was not taken out in UC. So this gave the Kraken correlation that okay, AUD is more bearish and it is not willing to move higher, and this gave more confirmation that our SL is protected and we can still hold on our position. And as expected, it gave TP to us. And yeah, this was our game plan. This was our trading ideology, and as expected. And one more thing, what we did was we didn't waited for the price to reach this TP. We closed in between somewhere here, yeah. So this was our daily one of the daily swing point. And one mistake what we did was, since price has reached this intermediate term low, we came to an immediate conclusion that okay, there is more possibility for the price to reverse again. So initially our target was this daily bullish OB, but when we woke up today morning, we immediately jumped to a conclusion that okay, price can reverse immediately from there, and we just closed all our position at this point. But yeah, price just consolidated for some time here, and it again went and reached our TP. So yeah, this was the trade plan or trade breakdown which we took in AUD USD yesterday, and this is the real trade which we took. So this is the first partial close which we made when price reached 1:3, and this is the complete closure of the total position once we reach that daily swing low, this point. So yeah, guys, hope you find this video useful, and we'll meet in some other video. Thank you.